Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited fake Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if you happen to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store over here. So once you open your Play Store, search for Secure VPN over here. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of this application. So I recommend you to download this one. You can see this one with more than 100 million plus download over here. Just download this particular one, and once it is downloaded over here, click on open, and once you open this VPN, you can see checking network settings. Just wait for it to be connected, so click on connect over here, and once you click on connect, you can see connected over here. Now it means you are connected to this VPN. Now once you have connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to just open your Telegram, and you can see once you open your Telegram over here, it will be demanding for your contact, but this time around we have to create unlimited Telegram account. So just open your Play Store once again and search for temp number. Now once you search for temp number or temporary phone number, I will advise you to download this particular one. So just search for temporary phone number. So once you search for temporary phone number, there are many, so I recommend this particular one for you. You can see over here, so you can see this particular one. So just download this particular one. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version over here. So once you have downloaded this application, just go ahead and then open it over here. So you can see it over here, so open it, and once you open this application, you can see server 1, server 2, server 3. Click on server 1. Now once you click on server 1, you can see please wait ad loading. So it will be loading for ad, so just wait for the ad to finish. And you can see numbers loaded successfully. It means it has already loaded the numbers successfully. Click on next, and once you click on next, you can see the countries over here. Now in my case, I will choose United States. So click on United States, and you can see call and SMS. It means you can use the number for both calls and SMS. So click on the one that you prefer over here. Now once you click on that, you can see copy number. So just click on copy number over here. So you can see the number over here. Now there is no way to copy this number, so we can just enter them one by one. So just open your Telegram and enter the +1, and immediately you enter +1, you can see the USA. So the number is just here, +12139. So you can see +12139. Okay, 1564 1564 and then 65. Now once you have entered the number over here, all you want to do is to click on next, and once you click on that, now you can see, is this the correct number? Click on yes, and once you click on yes, the verification code will be sent to you over here. So you can see refresh SMS, and now you can see loading. Now you can see the verification code over here. Now use this verification code to verify your Telegram account. So with this, you can create unlimited Telegram account using this new method. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video